Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Clear? And this Merchant of Venice I have been teaching since 4-5 days. I already made videos up to line 40, 140. Clear? I already made videos up to line 140 and today I will start from line 140. Okay? And let's recap little bit so that it will become easy for you to understand. Once again I am telling you, for class 9 and 10 it's no problem, you already studied Merchant of Venice, and class 8 you are all newcomer, pay more attention. Clear? This act 1 scene 1 is no problem for class 9 and 10, they already studied it, and for class 8 it's a new. Okay, so class 8 pay more attention. Let's recap. The play Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice starts with Antonio, who is very sad. Salarino and Salarino give their opinion about Antonio's sadness. Next, three new characters enter the scene. They are Bassanio, Lorenzo, and Grishanio. After seeing Antonio, Grishanio tells that he is sad as he thinks about the world so much. At that point of the time, Antonio tells that this world is a stage and he is playing the sad role. After listening to Antonio's speech, Grishanio tells that he would like to play the role of fool. Next, Bassanio tells that Grishanio speaks an infinite deal of rubbish than any man in Venice. After that, Bassanio tells that his main worry is to come honorably out of his heavy debts. Now, let's start from line 140. Clear? This is Antonio's speech. Okay, line 140, Antonio's speech. Let's start with Antonio's speech. Antonio is telling, I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it, and if it stand as yourself will do, within the eye of honor, be assured, my person, my earnest means that lie all unlocked to your occasions. Look, Bassanio has told Antonio that he would tell him about a lady whom he wants to meet, and he wants also to go to Belmont, all these things. Bassanio told that Bassanio would tell Antonio. So Antonio wants to know about that lady. Now Antonio is telling Bassanio, he first of all is assuring Bassanio that if his plan is perfect, if Bassanio's plan is perfectly honorable, he may be sure that his money and all his resources will be available for Bassanio's use. Bassanio tells that. Now look, Bassanio is telling, after listening to Antonio's speech, Bassanio is telling, look what Bassanio is telling. Bassanio is telling that in his school days, when I had lost one shaft means arrow, okay, look this one, okay, shaft, S-H-A-F-T, shaft. Bassanio is telling that in my school days when I had lost one shaft, I shot his fellow of the self-same flight, the self-same way, with more advice was to find the other fourth. Look what he is telling now. He is telling that in his school days, when he had lost one arrow, he used to shoot another arrow in the same direction. Okay, these first two liners telling the same thing. Okay, that when he used to lost one arrow, he used to shoot another arrow in the same direction to recover the first. By risking the second arrow, he often got both. Okay, he often got both. By giving this example, what does Bassanio want to tell? Bassanio want to tell that if Antonio would give him another loan like the first one, Antonio had already given him one loan, and now Bassanio wants to request him that he would give him another loan like the first one, he would repay him both the loan, or at least pay him the second loan and remain grateful debtor for the first. Okay, look at these lines. What is telling? I owe you much. Okay, look here what he is telling. I owe you much. Okay, and like a willful with that which I owe is lost, but if you please to shoot another arrow, okay, look here, if you please to shoot another here, it means actually that if he would give him one more loan, okay, which you did shoot the first, I do not doubt as I will watch the aim or find both. Find both means I will return you back both the loan, or at least if I will not be able to return both the loan, at least I will return you one loan and I will be thankful for you for the another loan. Okay, now what Antonio is telling, after listening to Bassanio's speech, what Antonio is telling, you know me well and herein spend but time to wind about my love is circumstance, and out of doubt you do me now more wrong. Look what Antonio is telling. After listening to Bassanio's speech, Antonio tells that you are doing wrong, okay, by doubting me. Antonio is telling to Bassanio that you are doing wrong by doubting me. Next, Antonio tells Bassanio that he had to tell him what Antonio would do, and he means Antonio would be obliged to do it. Antonio is telling Bassanio that you please tell me what I have to do, okay, and if you will tell me, I will do it for you. Now, in my next video, I will continue with this chapter, with this Act 1, Scene 1, and only look one page. Only little bit is left. Up to here, only little bit is left. I will finish it in my next video. Then again, I will give you question pair pattern. Until then, goodbye.